This is why you put the linseed oil in those checkering first before you do the pumice, because that pumice is going to get in there. You're going to have to brush that out. But pumice is an abrasive. It's like buffing compound for a car. And it will polish like nothing else. I really wish I had taken a picture of this before. I didn't make this stock. It came to me already made. I reshaped it. I thinned it down, especially on the front end here. It was real beefy, had a flat bottom like a target rifle. But this is a 243 and a very light rifle. It's a 788 Remington. And I reshaped it kind of high speed, low drag, you know. Had some bumps and flares and stuff here and there on it, and I just smoothed it up and just gave it some, just fine-tuned it a little bit. I refinished it. I checked it. It didn't have any checking at all on it. I put a little pattern on there that I really like. I call it a captured diamond. I came up with it several years ago. You can see why that name. I actually woke up one morning with it on my mind, and I was building a 700, a custom 700 for a guy in Kentucky that owned a trucking company. I don't know, I just saw it in my head and I thought that'd be pretty, so I made that, and that's the first time I ever made it, was on that 700. But anyway, this is it's turned out really pretty. It's a Fajan blank. Somebody made the stock 40-50 years ago. It looks like from the early to mid 60s. It's kind of had that Weatherby look to it with the great big grip cap and all of that. But it's a comfortable stock. It really is. It grips your hand. It fits your hand well. So I didn't take a before picture, but this is an after. So well, thanks for choosing to spend your time here with me today. I hope you've enjoyed this program. I'll try to post a new segment each weekend. In addition, if you'd like to read about a stock that I made and then it took a 20-foot free fall, click on the link at the bottom of this page. It's called The Broken Gun. It's a story I wrote a few years ago about my two boys. Sometimes life's hard and things get broken. Now and then we get a chance to fix them. I'm so grateful for the opportunity I had to repair this broken stock. It led to a restoration that I never could have imagined. As always, if you like this video, please click the like button and share this with your friends. Have a great day.